Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to new device without backup. So first you need to log in or go to any web browser and then type Microsoft Login. Click this one. Now you should see this Microsoft Login right here. Tap or click this and log into your Microsoft account. Here, what you're going to do is you have to go to the upper side or right side, and then you have to tap your profile or your account right here, and then tap on Microsoft account. Click this one. Now, here on your Microsoft account, you should see the device or devices option. You have to click that one. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds and you should see two options here. So in this, you will see find my device and register device. You have to click register device right here and then fill in the information. So if you want to register or if you want to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to a new device, you have to select other devices right here. Everything is up to you if you tap Xbox or so on. So for me, I'm going to tap other devices. And then after that, I'm going to scroll down here and then select my region and country, let's just say United States, and then here enter my serial number, make sure it's correct, and then after that tap on the confirm button. And basically that's how easy it is to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to new device without backup. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.